Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Elijah DRAWTUBE. I'm Elijah and I am 9 years old, and this is my sister, Soraya, who is 3 years old. Hi Soraya.
Hi.
The reason I wanted to start this channel is because A, I can draw, B, I saw other people doing it, and C, I thought I could do it too. Today we will be doing Greg Heffley from Diary of the Wimpy Kid. The reason I wanted to do him is because he is my favorite character from Diary of the Wimpy Kid. He's the main one. And Diary of the Wimpy Kid is my favorite book. And he is like a stick person, and so it's easy for Soraya to do too, right? The tools you will need today are a pencil for sketching, a pen for inking or coloring in the black parts, and a blank sheet of paper. You don't have to use a pen, you can just use a pencil for all of it or a pen for all of it, or you can just use both. One time I did it with a pencil and it just looked perfectly fine. So with that said, let's get right to it. So you're just gonna make a circle. Now we're doing a sketch. Now circles are tough. So if they don't look perfect the first time, you can fix them. You can pause the video and fix them. You don't have to, though. But what we're gonna just do, we're gonna make like a little U shape right here. See that part right there? Mm-hmm. See that U shape? So go up. That's good too. Not exactly, but it's all right. Now I'm gonna.
What's right, Daddy?
Yeah. So we're gonna make this. I'm just gonna make that a little bigger.
Me too.
Oh,
that's good.
Then we're gonna do 2 dots. One kind of be like, but I'm just gonna draw an even lighter one. We'll erase that at one point.
Alright.
But one's gonna be like right at the edge.
Can I draw my
Okay.
I'm going to draw my eye. That eye.
So you're gonna draw that like that. And then you're gonna draw the other one, not too far out, but kind of like in the middle. So you can draw a line down like this,
yeah,
light.
But what?
Yeah, just erase that. I'll erase that for you. Your eraser isn't that good. Now don't go without me, Soraya. Just stay with me. So we're gonna do 2 circles like this. Now I'm gonna erase this. Now
like
see,
this?
And then where this line is, I'm gonna put an
But
other
I don't
oval.
need a line.
An oval.
Do I need a line for it?
You don't have to, okay?
Yeah.
Just follow. Don't keep talking like that. Now, this is our first time, so it's a little hard for her to understand that we're not following along with the video. That it's her. She thinks she's acting like we're following along. That's good. Can I erase this one and you put your other one not like that and over here? Right along that line. Now, actually, I'm going to make these over.
Wait, this?
No, this line right here.
Wait, above that line?
On it.
On it?
Like right here. Now we're going to erase these lines that we put like on the side right here. I'm actually going to erase my eye. And do another one of those. Now, you can draw a smile. So smiles would go like this. Go like this. But I'm not, because I'm gonna draw a frown because that's his main thing. Usually he's frowning. Now we'll ink it later. So don't worry if it's too light. And you don't even have to do the sketching part. You can just start. You don't have to do it like the light sketch. You can do it like this, or not like that, like this. But I'm just doing it this way because that's what works for me. The reason I would do it light sketch is because you can erase it more. Now for his hair. So on top of there. Now not right there. Not right there. Don't right here. Not right there, Soraya. Don't just use like what you know from here. One like that. One line out like that. Another line out like this. And then another line in the middle.
Is that where his hair will be?
Yeah. Now, I'm just going to lower this frown a little bit. Now, here, so he kind of slops down. So, we're going to start drawing his body 2 lines down like that. And he's skinny, too. And then a line like this, there's going to be a line like this. Now, I'm just going to thicken that up a little bit so it doesn't look too much like that. Because that's going to be his thumb. Now, this is his hand going up. Now, this part, I don't know why I'm doing it thick. So here, so see, like how the top of there, now not right there. Not right there. Don't right here. Not right there, Soraya. Don't just use like what you know from here. One like that. One line out like that. Down like this because he's like he's not the happiest. He's a wimpy.
I can swap him down
because he's a wimpy kid. They wouldn't have him like that because the only reason they're having like that is because he's a wimpy kid. I'm gonna have the sleeve go out like this and not. And then now he has like little chubby looking fingers. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna one line out. They're not that big though. One line out. Let's try it, follow along. One line out, one line in, not a leg, one line, so then we're gonna just cut that off right there, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this again like that. So see, we didn't do that spreading out. We're kind of doing it to curl. And now you don't see his other arm. And this is like pretty much the same with all characters from the Diary of the Wimpy Kid series. They're all like that. Actually not the same. So we're gonna just draw shorts, a line out like this, down like that, and then a line over. And then we're gonna draw a line out again. And like this. Now I don't know why they would show his, and now I do see it. At first I thought, I was like, why would you show his, not his left leg, but his left arm? But I kind of see it now. And then we're gonna go down like this. Now his shorts are gonna be black. Gonna go down like this. This is his legs. He's got long legs. Now at one point, you hit the sock. And then I'm gonna cut the sock off like right here. And then this be the shoes. Now you can put a design on the socks if you want. I am not. And we're basically gonna do the same on the other leg. But we're gonna make like a see how I kind of got
How do you make socks?
Just like that. So now it does not go like that. Don't follow what you know of drawing. See, make a circle like this. So we're gonna make a circle like this. Not a circle. I don't know what shape you would call it. Like a cut off oval. It's got big feet. Keep it up on the table. That's gonna bother. That will bother. Yeah. Now he's got pretty big feet. And don't worry, don't go like, where's the drawing? Why is it not dark? Like, just so you know, we will go over this with a pen. So it's good. Then we're gonna do the same for this leg. No, do legs.
I don't want to do it this way.
Did you just do 2 legs without me doing that, Soraya?
No.
Okay. Follow along. Don't go ahead. Just follow. Now we're going to cover that kind of up with this leg. So we're going to erase this part right here and do something over it like that. So we're just going to do the same. And then there's the socks. Now I kind of did this in reverse, but it's alright. You could do it, pause the video. And if I'm going too fast, that's alright. You can just pause it at any time. Now, one thing I forgot to do, I'm just gonna fill in the eyes. Wait, no, I'll do that with pen. Sorry. And so he's gonna be having his backpack. So we're gonna draw like a little line right here. That's gonna be his first strap. Draw a line right there. Like right here. Right here. And like near his armpit. That's why you follow, Soraya. Don't worry about your hair. And so see that line like this? Do that. Sorry, she just doesn't really understand that much. That's gonna be his backpack. There's no design on his backpack. You could add it. And we are pretty much done. We just need to ink over it. We're gonna do that with pen. So now we are done. Now we're gonna ink it, and we're gonna speed this part up because basically the same. And ready to get to it, Soraya? Let's do it right now. Wow, these look amazing to me. Hers is pretty good for her age. So here is mine. This is my Greg. And Soraya, hold up yours. This is hers, a little higher. Here, I got it, sir. See, this is hers. I think it's pretty good. It's better than some other kids that I've seen draw her age. Like, really. I've seen other kids just scribble and they try and follow along. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment to where you're from. And next week we'll be doing Roderick from Diary of the Wimpy Kid. He is like one of my favorite characters, and I hope you watch him because we're going to be doing a lot. So, bye! Do you think you had fun?